I think we can get started. So welcome everyone. So we'll get started with the Posh Dasmi Aradhana. So we'll first start with the Mangalacharan, and we'll start with the Naukar Mantra and Stutis of Parshvanath Bhagwan. Preeti?
Yeah, Jai Jinendra. Jai Jinendra. बोलिए श्री शंकेश्वर पार्श्वनाथ भगवान की जय। वंदना वंदना भावे करूँ वंदना 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 भावे करूँ वंदना 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 भावे करूँ वंदना 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 भावे करूँ वंदना। ओम नमो अरिहंतानम ओम नमो सिद्धानम ओम नमो आयरियानम ओम नमो विजयानम नमो लोए सब साहूनम ऐसो पंच नमोकारो सब पावपनाशनो मंगलानम च सवेसिम परमं हवै मंगलम परमं हवै मंगलम। वंदना वंदना भावे करूँ वंदना 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 भावे करूँ वंदना। प्रगट प्रभावी पुरुषा दानी एवं श्री शंकेश्वर परमात्मा नी आइए स्तुति करिए। जीना स्मरण थी जीवन ना संकट बधा दूर टाले जेना स्मरण थी मन तना वांछित सहु आवी मले जेना स्मरण थी आदि ने व्याधि उपाधि जेटले एवासी संकेश्वर प्रभुना चरण मा प्रेमे नमो एवासी संकेश्वर प्रभुना शरण मा प्रेमे नमो। जेना प्रभावे जगत ना जीवो बदा सुख पामेता जेना नवनति जाद ओना रोग दूरे भागता जीना चरण ना स्पर्श ने निषदील वार्ता जंकेता एवाशी शंकेश्वर प्रभुना शरण मा प्रेमे नमो एवाशी शंकेश्वर प्रभुना शरण मा प्रेमे नमो। ओम रीम पद नो जोड़ीने संकेश्वराने जे जापे धरणेन्द्र पद्मावती पूजित संकेश्वर ने जे जपे जन्मो जन्म ना पापने सहुअंतरायो तस टले एवासी संकेश्वर प्रभुना शरण मा प्रेमे नमो एवासी संकेश्वर प्रभुना शरण मा प्रेमे नमो।
એ બુદ્ધિશાળી જેમણે ઘંટાકરણ રેલની સ્થાપના કરાવી મહુડીમાં તે
આપણે મ્યુટ રાખ્યો
એમને આપણે ઘંટાકરણ રેલના સ્થાપક તરીકે
કરો ના can you mute? Okay, thank you everyone. Welcome to the Posh Dasmi Aradhana in Vidhi. So let's begin the Posh Dasmi Aradhana. So Posh Dasmi is a 3-day parva to celebrate the Janma Kalyanak and Diksha Kalyanak of Parshvanath Bhagwan. This parva Posh Dasmi is celebrated on Makshar Vad Naum, Vakshar Vad Dasham and Makshar Vad Agyaras. So Makshar Vad Dasam is a Janma Kalyanak of Parshvanath Bhagwan and Makshar Vad Agyaras is a Diksha Kalyanak of Parshvanath Bhagwan. So in this festival, In this parva, we do 3 ekashnas. The first ekashna is done on Makshadvat Naum, and it's a sugar pani ekashna, the sugar water ekashna. The second ekashna we do on Makshadvat Dasam, and it's a rice kheer ekashna. And the third ekashna we do on Makshadvat Agyaras, and it's a full ekashna. The first 2 ekashnas are tham chaviyar ekashnas. That means you have to drink water only while you are doing ekashna. And after finishing the ekashna, you have to do chaviyar. You cannot drink water. So besides doing 3 ekashnas, you have to do 12 swastiks, you have to put 12 fur, 12 naived, you have to do 12 pradakshinas, 12 kamashanas, 12 lokas kausar, and you also have to do 20 malas or 20 nokarwalis on all the 3 days. You can do nokarwalis of Om Rim Shri Sankeshwar Parshnataya Namah, or you can even do the full mantra of Om Rim Shri Dharmendra Padmati Paripujidaya Shri Sankeshwar Parshnataya Namah. Or you can also do the mantra Om Rim Shri Sankeshwar, Om Rim Shri Parshnataya Arhate Namah and Om Rim Shri Parshnataya Namah. So these are various mantras you can use, but the idea is you have to do 20 malas or 2000 counts on all the 3 days. So it is said that those who perform this, who do parva for a period of 10 years and 10 months can get shanti, can get peace, and ultimately they go to the moksha. So let's see how to perform the Aradhana of Posh Dasmi. So this Aradhana is for the period of 10 years and 10 months. And this Aradhana can be started on any of the Posh Dasmis. So you start this Aradhana with 3 ekashnas. And after that, you do a regular ekashnas on every Vad Dasam. And you follow the complete Aradhana Vidhi with 12 sastiks, 12 logas kausar, 12 kamashanas, and 20 malas of Parshnath Bhagwan. It is important to note that you also have to do the Avashyak Kriyas of Rai and Devasi Pratikaman. This is very important. And along with that, if it is possible, you have to do the Ashprakari Puja of Parshnath Bhagwan and also a Snatra Puja of Parshnath Bhagwan. Of course, due to COVID, it's not possible, but whenever possible, you have to perform both Dravya and Bhav Puja of Parshnath Bhagwan as well. Next thing is Brahmacharya Ka Palan is very, very important. And after completing this Aradhana for a period of 10 years and 10 months, you have to celebrate this with a grand Swami Vatsalya. So what is the importance of doing post Dashmi Aradhana? So in our Shastra, it is said that those who perform this Aradhana for the whole 10 years and 10 months, and people who also listen to the Parshnath Bhagwan Jivan Charitra, it is said that you have to listen to the Jivan Charitra once every year on the Posh Dasmi from Guru Maharaj Sahib. So those who does the Aradhana and listen to the Jivan Charitra can get Samadhi Maran and Sadgati in the next bhav. It guarantees the Samadhi Maran. So if you really want the Samadhi Maran and go to the Sadgati, this is the simplest step that you can do for 10 years and 10 months. So on this occasion of Posh Dasmi, let's look at the Jivan Charitra of Parshnath Bhagwan. So Parshnath Bhagwan is our 23rd Tirthankar, and he achieves moksha after 10 bhavs after he achieves Samyak Darshan. So if you look at any Jivan Charitra of any Tirthankar Paramatma, the first bhav is always considered the bhav they achieve Samyak Darshan. And then the counting of the bhav is started. So for Parshnath Bhagwan, the first bhav is a bhav of Marubuddhi. And in this bhav, he achieves Samyak Darshan. After that, second bhav, he becomes an elephant. Third bhav, he goes to 8th Devlok. Fourth bhav, he becomes a Kiran Veg Muni. Fifth bhav, he goes to 12th Devlok. Sixth bhav, he becomes a Vajranab king. Seventh bhav, he goes to Gravyak Devlok. Eighth bhav, he becomes a Chakravarti, Suvarna Bhavu Chakravarti. Ninth bhav, he goes to 10th Devlok. And 10th bhav, he becomes Parshnath Bhagwan, Tirthankar. So let's look at the Jivan Charitra of Parshnath Bhagwan. So the first bhav is a bhav of Marubuddhi. So in the city of Potanpur, in our Jambudvip, there lived a king called King Arvind. Now in the same city, there lived a Brahmin couple. Their name was Vishwabhuti and Anudhara. This Brahmin couple had 2 sons, Kamath and Marubuddhi. Though Kamath and Marubuddhi, they were both brothers, they were vastly different in their natures. Elder brother Kamath was angry and mannerless, while the younger brother Marubhuti was extremely well-mannered and compassionate Jew. Both brothers were married. Kamat's wife was known as Varuna, and Marubhuti's wife was known as Vasundhara. So parents gives the responsibilities of the whole family to both the brothers before they pass away. Now Marubhuti was extremely compassionate Jew, and Marubhuti was a Jew of Parshnath Bhagwan. He was a minister under King Arvind, and he handled all the state affairs. Due to this, he was extremely busy, and he had to frequently travel out of the town. Now Marubhuti's wife Vasundhara was extremely beautiful, and Kamath was deeply engrossed in Marubhuti's wife. So once Marubhuti goes out of the town, and Kamath sees this an opportunity and forcibly rapes Marubhuti's wife. So Kamath's wife Varuna, she complains to Marubhuti about this immoral act and immoral behavior. Marubhuti initially could not believe that his elder brother would do such an act, but after that he came to know that it was all true. So Marubhuti complains about the Kamath to King Arvind. So King Arvind arrests Kamath and punishes him and make him sit on the donkey and roam him all over the city. Now Kamath becomes extremely angry, and he thinks that Marubhuti is responsible for my such condition. So Kamath runs away into the forest and becomes a Brahmin saint. So once Kamath was doing meditation in the forest with a deep growth and deep aversion for Marubhuti. Now here Marubhuti was also feeling down. He was thinking that he is responsible for Kamath's condition and he should not have complained to King Arvind. So he decides to go and visit Kamath and apologize for what he has done. So Marubhuti goes to the forest and meets Kamath. So here Kamath becomes extremely angry on seeing Marubhuti and throws a huge rock on Marubhuti's head, and Marubhuti's head gets smashed, and Marubhuti dies there instantaneously. So Marubhuti dies with Artha Dhyan in his mind and becomes elephant in the next vow. Here Kamath Jeev also dies after a couple of years with Rautra Dhyan and deep growth for Marubhuti and becomes snake in the next vow. And they become elephant and the snake in the same forest. So Parshnath Bhagwan's second bhav is elephant and Kamath's second bhav is snake. The name of the snake or the species of the snake is known as Kukat snake. So here King Arvind, he takes Diksha and he becomes the Audignani Muni. So once King Arvind, he takes out the Charipalit son to Summit Shikhar and with a large group of people. Here Marubhuti's Jeev elephant, he sees large amount of people and becomes extremely angry. He is not used to seeing large group of people. He lives pretty lonely in the forest. So on seeing so many people, he becomes out of control and starts throwing people and killing innocent peoples. So this elephant runs into Arvind Muni. Arvind Muni was an Audignani Muni. So as soon as elephant sees Arvind Muni says, "Hey Marubhuti, in your previous birth, you accepted the Shravak Dharma. And because of Artha Dhyan, you became an animal in this bhav. Do you want to still continue with your Artha Dhyan and Rautra Dhyan in this bhav and go to Adhogati?" So listening to this, elephant ko jati smaran gnyan hota hai, and he remembers his past bhav. And Arvind Muni explains the Shravak Dharma to the elephant, and elephant Shravak Dharma ko angikar karta hai. After that, the elephant is living very, very peacefully. And one day he goes to drink the water in the pond, and he goes deeper inside and he gets trapped. So he's unable to come out of the pond. Seeing this, elephant realizes that uska death, uska ant samay is near, and he starts Panch Parmeshti Dhyan. Here at the same time, in the same jungle, Kamath Jeev, that is a Kukat snake, sees the elephant. But after seeing the elephant, usko purva bhav ke sanskar se, he becomes extremely krodhi and he starts biting the elephant. And elephant dies with the poison. So elephant dies with the Panch Parmeshti Dhyan and without any growth for the snake. And the Jeev of Parshvanath goes to 8th Devlok in the 3rd bhav. And the snake also dies after a couple of years, and he goes to the 5th Narak. So 3rd bhav of Parshvanath Bhagwan is 8th Devlok, and the 3rd bhav of Kamath is the 5th Narak. So both Parshvanath Bhagwan and the Kamath are the same Ayushya of 17 Sagarupams. Now here Kamath's Jeev is in deep pain and lots of dukh and misery for 17 Sagarupams, and here Parshvanath Bhagwan's Jeev is in extreme happiness. But even in the 8th Devlok, he remains detached from the worldly pleasures and remains deeply engrossed in the Dharma Kriya. So this completes the 3rd bhav. So in the 4th bhav, there is a beautiful city named as Tilaka. And in this Tilak city, there lived a Vidyadhar king and Vidyadhar queen. The name of the Vidyadhar king was Vidyudgati, and name of the Vidyadhar queen was Kanak Tilaka. Now, Vidyadhar king and Vidyadhar queen, so Parshvanath Bhagwan Jeev comes to the Kukshi of Kanak Tilaka, and he is named as Kiran Veg. So this Vidyadhar king and queen, when Kiran Veg grows up, they take Diksha and gives the kingdom to Kiran Veg. So Kiran Veg becomes the kingdom of a large empire, and he does lots of good for the people. So once a Suguru Mahatma comes to his town and listening to the Deshna, Kiran Veg wants to pursue the Diksha. So he hands over the kingdom to his son and takes the Diksha. Now here Kiran Veg Muni, that is Parshvanath Bhagwan Jeev, is a Vidyadhar Muni. Therefore, he has got lots of Vidyas. One of the Vidyas he had was Akash Gamini Vidya. So with the Akash Gamini Vidya, Kiran Veg Muni goes to the Pushkaravara Dweep. And here he does Namaskar to all the Shaswati Pratimas in the Pushkaravara Dweep. And after that, he goes to meditation in the Vaidyatya mountain in the Pushkaravara Dweep. Here Kamath's Jeev, after completing 17 Sagram Avishya in the 5th Narak, is born as a large python in the same mountains. So as soon as this python sees Parshvanath Bhagwan's Jeev, that is Kiran Veg Muni, he becomes extremely angry because of his Puravbhav's Vair Sanskar. And he swallows the Parshvanath Bhagwan's Jeev, Kiran Veg Muni, completely. Here Kiran Veg Muni dies a peaceful death in Santi and Samadhi. He has no aversion or growth for the snake. And Kiran Veg Muni goes to the 12th Devlok in the 5th bhav. And here Python dies in the forest fire and goes to the 6th Narak. So if you see one soul or one Atma is climbing up the ladder, one Atma is going from 8th Devlok to the 12th Devlok, and another Atma is falling down the ladder. And Kamath Jeev is going from 5th Narak to the 6th Narak. So again, both have the same Ayushya of 22 Sagarupams. After completing the 22 Sagarupam Ayushya in the Devlok and the Narak in the 6th bhav. In the 6th bhav, Parshvanath Bhagwan's Jeev come to the Kukshi of Queen Lakshmivati, and his father's name was Vajravirya. Now Lakshmivati and Vajravirya were the kings of a large kingdom. And in this Kshetra, he is born in the Western Videha Kshetra, and in this Kshetra, Tirthankar Paramatma vichar rahe hai. So there are Tirthankar Paramatma Bahu and Subahu. And this is the first time Parshvanath Bhagwan's Jeev ko Tirthankar Paramatma ka yog hota hai. And the name of Parshvanath Bhagwan is Vajranabh. So Vajranabh, when he grows up, he becomes a king of a large kingdom. And after that, he takes Diksha under Avdhignani Muni known as Shemankar Muni. So once Vajranabh Muni was meditating and doing dhyan in the forest, and suddenly an arrow comes and pierces his chest. So here Kamath Jeev, after completing 22 Sagarupam Ayushya in the 6th Narak, is born as a Bhil. Bhil is an inferior type of Manushya, and this Jeev, his name is Kurangad. And Kurangad is he likes hunting, he likes killing people, he likes looting people, and all the bad things. So as soon as he sees Vajranath Muni in the forest, he immediately releases the arrow because of his Purabhav Sanskar. This arrow pierces the delicate organs, and Vajranath Muni immediately dies without any krodh or without any aversion for the Bhil. Here, Bhil, he is very happy that he has killed the Muni, and therefore Kamat's Jeev goes to the seventh Narak. So he is going from fifth Narak to sixth Narak, now to seventh Narak. And here, Parshanath Bhagwan's Jeev goes to the Gravyak Devlok. So Parshanath Bhagwan Jeev is going up the ladder from 12th Devlok to Gravyak Devlok. So in the sixth bhav, they both have the same Ayushya of 27 Sagarupams. And after completing the 27 Sagarupam Ayushya, in the eighth bhav, Parshanath Bhagwan's Jeev is born to the king Kushilbahu and queen Sudarshana. When Parshanath Bhagwan's Jeev comes to the Kukshi of Queen Sudarshana sees the 14 great dreams, indicating that the Parshanath Bhagwan Jeev is going to be a Chakravarti. So in this bhav, he is known as Suvarna Bhav. And as soon as he matures, he marries to a gorgeous princess known as Padmavati. And he gets the Chakraratna, he gets Chaud Mahavidya and now Mahanidhis as a Chakravarti. He conquers all the 6 continents and becomes the king and the ruler of the Eastern Videha, Mahavideha Kshetra. So here, Suvarnabhavu Chakravarti, in this Eastern Videha Kshetra, there is a Tirthankar Paramatma called Jagannath. So once Suvarnabhavu Chakravarti goes to listen to the Deshna of Jagannath Tirthankar Paramatma. And after listening to Deshna, he decides to take Diksha. So here Suvarnabhavu Chakravarti lives and forgoes all the worldly assets. He forgoes all the 6 continents, all the wells, all his wives and everything, and takes the Diksha. So in this bhav, Suvarnabhavu Muni does the Visthanak Tap ki Aradhana. And ये भाव में ही वो तीर्थंकर नाम कर्म उपार्जित करते हैं. So once Suvarnabhavu Muni is doing tapasya in the forest, and here Kamat's Jeev, after completing 27 Sagarupam Ayushya in the Narak, is born as a lion. So as soon as the lion sees the Suvarnabhavu Muni, he becomes extremely angry because of his Purabhav Sanskar. And he leaps onto the Muni and tears him apart. And Suvarnabhavu Muni dies there in Subhabhav. He does not get again angry on the lion, and वो सुख और शांति और समाधि में उस पार्षद भगवान के जीव का मरण होता है. And in the 9th bhav, Parshanath Bhagwan's Jeev goes to the 10th Devlok, and here Kamat's Jeev goes to the 4th Narak in the 9th bhav. And both have 20 Sagarupam Ayushyas, and they complete the 20 Sagarupam Ayushyas. So here is the final bhav of Parshanath Bhagwan. So if you see the Jivan Charitra of Marubhuti and Jivan Charitra of Kamat, in Jivan Charitra of Marubhuti, he goes to Devlok 4 times. He becomes Chakravarti once. He becomes Manushya or king 2 times, and he becomes animal once. And Kamat's Jeev, on the other hand, he goes to the Narak 4 times. He becomes snake 2 times. He becomes lion once, and he becomes inferior Manushya once. So this is the result of Krodh and Vair-bhav and Jeev Dvesh. तो इसलिए जीव के प्रति द्वेष नहीं करना चाहिए. That is a whole moral of the story. So let's discuss the final bhav. So in the final bhav, in the Kashi Desh, in the Varanasi Nagari, in our Bharat Kshetra, there lived King Ashwashan and Queen Vamadevi. They belong to the Ishwaku Kul. After completing the 20 Sagarupam Ayushya, Parshanath Bhagwan's Jeev come to the Kukshi of Queen Vamadevi on Chaitra Vad Chauth under the Vishaka Nakshatra. On this day, Queen sees 14 dreams, indicating that Tirthankar Paramatma is going to be born. After completion of the pregnancy, she delivers a green-colored baby boy who is extremely bright and beautiful like emerald with a lanchan of snake. on Posh Vad Dasam, that is yesterday. So yesterday Parshvanath Bhagwan का जन्म कल्याणक था. At this time, 56 Dikkumaris, 64 Indras come to celebrate the Janma Kalyana of Parshvanath Bhagwan, and they do the Snatra Mahotsav on the Meru Parvat. Here, King Ashwashen also celebrates the Janma Mahotsav by decorating the city. So it is said when Parshvanath Bhagwan was in Garbh of Mata, Mata starts seeing things even in the dark. And once she sees a snake in the utter darkness, and that's why the Bhagwan ka name was known as Parshva. Parshva matlab snake. So Parshvanath Bhagwan grows, becomes mature, becomes adult. He is extremely beautiful. His body is bright green color, and his height is 9 feet. So once he grows up, parents forces Parshva Kumar to eventually marry Queen Prabhavati. So on his father's and mother's request, Parshva Kumar agrees to marry Queen Prabhavati. So once Parshva Kumar is sitting in the corridor and he sees large group of people going in certain direction with some puja material in the hands. So on seeing this, Parshvanath Parshva Kumar inquires that what is going on. On this, he comes to learn that one tapas is doing Panchangni tap. Now, Panchangni tap is very, very difficult tap. In this tap, Agni praktate hai aur Agni ke samne wo tap karte hai. So Panchangni tap kehte hai. So here, Kamat Jiv, after completing the Ayushya of 17 Sagarottam in the 4th Narak, he becomes a Brahmin saint, or wo tapas banta hai, and he's doing Panchangni tap. So Parshva Kumar also comes and visits with his entire family to pay respect to the Brahmin saint. Parshvanath अपने अवधि ज्ञान, उनको जन्म से ही अवधि ज्ञान होता है, तो अपने अवधि ज्ञान में देखते हैं कि there are 2 snakes that are burning in the fire. So here he says to the Kamat or the Brahmin that, hey Brahmin, compassion is the mother of all religion. The snakes are burning in the fire. Can you please stop the fire? To this, Kamat says that, hey prince, you do not know anything about the religion. You are the prince. You are mostly involved in riding horses, elephants, and fighting wars. How do you know about the religion? So here Parshva Kumar orders the soldiers to stop the fire. So they stop the fire and take out the burning wood. They break open the burning wood, and there are 2 snakes inside the burning wood that are half burnt and in extreme pain. तो पार्षद कुमार यहाँ पे वो 2 स्नेक को नौकार मंत्र सुनाते हैं और वो क्षमता और शांति से they end their life. And these 2 snakes becomes Dharnendra and Padmavati in Nag Kumar Nikai. यहाँ पे Kamat Jiv has again a deep aversion for Parshva Kumar for what he has done in this bhav as well. He has degraded and demeaned him. That's what he feels. So Kamat Jiv, he goes away, he does lots of tapasya, and the next bhav he becomes a devta called Meghmali Devta in the Bhuvanvati Nikai. So one Parshva Kumar is visiting the art gallery and he sees the picture of Nami Kumar. In this picture, he sees that Nami Kumar Rajimati ke saath शादी करने के लिए आए हैं, but after hearing the voices of animals, he decides to walk away from the Lagna Mandap and he takes Diksha. So seeing this picture, Parshvanath Kumar को भी वैराग्य होता है और उनको दीक्षा लेने का भाव होता है. तो Parshvanath Kumar takes Diksha on Matsar Vad 11. So today, तो आज दीक्षा कल्याणक है. So today is the day that Parshvanath Bhagwan takes Diksha with 300 kings, and on this day he does Attam Tap. Attam Tap की आराधना करते हैं और उनको दीक्षा समय पे ही 4th ज्ञान, मनोप्रभ ज्ञान उत्पन्न होता है. After completing the Attam Tap, वो खीर का, राइस के खीर का पारना करते हैं, and that's why we also do Ekasna of rice खीर. तो यहाँ पे कामत जीव मेघमाली becomes devta, and uska he uses his coup of the Jnana to see where the Parshvanath Bhagwan is, and वो Parshvanath Bhagwan पे घोर उपसर्ग करते हैं. He does उपसर्ग for 7 months. वो 7 महीने तक उनका उपसर्ग चलता है. मेघमाली का। तो वो उपसर्ग में he releases dangerous elephants, snakes और काफी सारे उपसर्ग करते हैं, पर पार्षद भगवान remains deeply engrossed in ध्यान साधना। So finally मेघमाली वो he does the upsurge of heavy rainfall, and this rainfall continues for months and months. So waters, the rivers and dams are all overflowing. The water starts rising slowly from Bhagwan's knees all the way to chest and all the way to neck. So on seeing this, Dharmendra Dev becomes extremely angry and comes to rescue the Parshnath Bhagwan. So वो पार्शनाथ भगवान को he lifts out of the water and उसके ऊपर अम्ब्रेला जैसा क्रिएट कर देते हैं, जिससे पार्शनाथ भगवान को रेनफॉल का वेदना ना हो। So Dharmendra comes and saves the Parshnath Bhagwan, and he says to the Meghmali Devta, "Hey Meghmali Devta, you created lots of pain. तुमने काफी pain दिया पार्शनाथ भगवान को for the last 10 vows. And because of this, you yourself have suffered. You have gone to Narak so many times. You have become Tirin so many times. So just think and please, remove the Vair Bhavna you have for Parshnath Bhagwan." So on this final vow, Meghmali is awakened. Meghmali realizes that he has done wrong, and then he finally apologizes to Parshnath Bhagwan and goes to his own Nikai. तो यहाँ पे पार्शनाथ भगवान remains in Chadmasta Avastha for 84 days, and after 84 days in Ashrampat Garden, Udyan, and under the Ghatki tree on Chaitra Vat Chaud under Vishaka Nakshatra, भगवान पार्शनाथ भगवान को केवल ज्ञान होता है। और ये अवसर पे देव समोसरण की रचना करते हैं फॉर देशना, और उनके माता पिता किंग अश्वसेन एंड क्वीन वामा देवी भी दीक्षा लेते हैं। So this completes the charitra of Parshnath Bhagwan, and Parshnath Bhagwan goes to moksha on the summit Sikhar. He lives for 100 years, 30 years in Sansari Avastha and 70 years in Diksha Paryay. And वो एक महीने का अनशन करते हुए अन्य 33 लोग के साथ मोक्ष में जाते हैं। So this is some information on Parshnath Bhagwan. Unka family, there are 16,000 sadhus, 38,000 sadhvis, 350 Chaud Purvadhar, 1,400 Audhignani, 750 Manopagnani, 1,000 Keval Gnanis, or Kafi Shravaks or Shravikas. So this was a family of Parshnath Bhagwan. So it is said that 83,750 years have passed between Neminath Bhagwan and Parshnath Bhagwan. So it's a huge amount of era that has passed between Neminath Bhagwan and Parshnath Bhagwan. So this completes the Jivan Charitra. So now let's start with the Aradhana of Posh Dasmi. So in the first step, what we'll do is we'll do Bhara Satyas. So we'll give you few minutes. So you can do 12 Satyas with and also do one Darshan Gyan Charitra and one the Siddha Sila. And after that, you can put Bhara Far and Bhara Naived on the 12 Satyas. And meanwhile, किसी को कोई question हो तो पूछ सकता है.
Chaital bhai, this is Dipen, Jai Jinendra. One question is, what's the age? You saying something Sagar, 12, Sagar, 20. How does it calculate to real years, if you know that?
So Sagar does not calculate to real years. Only up till Palyopam there is a real count. After Palyopam, it's Sagaropam. तो सागरोपम के लिए ना शास्त्र में उदाहरण दिया है कि अगर तुम you create a खड्डा, ditch that is 1 yojan, that is 12 kilometers length, 12 kilometers width, and 12 kilometers in depth. और उसमें you fill the whole ditch with the small hairs. एकदम स्मॉल हेयर्स ऑफ बेबी, और वो इतना डेंस है कि उस पे पूरी चक्रवर्ती की सेना भी चली जाए तब भी वो खड्डा, वो हेयर्स नीचे नहीं जाएगा, तो इतना डेंस। एंड इट सेड दैट एवरी 100 years यू टेक वन हेयर एंड एक हेयर को रिमूव करो। तो पूरे जो समय लगे ये पूरे हेयर को रिमूव करते हुए उसको 1 सागरोपम कहते हैं। सो दिस इज मोर लाइक अ काल्पनिक चीज है, पर इट्स बेसिकली इक्वल्स टू अ काउंटलेस ईयर्स। तो अपने लिए इफ यू वांट टू थिंक, जस्ट थिंक एज अ काउंटलेस ईयर्स, देयर इज नो रियल नंबर।
Okay, thank you.
We'll give probably one or 2 minutes more.
Hello.
Huh.
Who coined the term Sagropam and Paleopam? How were they coined?
Oh, okay. So basically जो टाइम का स्केल है, it goes all the way from smallest scale to largest scale, और this all वो सब कुछ तीर्थंकर परमात्मा ने कॉइन किया है, मतलब this is given in our आगम्स। तो ये द्वादशांति से ही हमको ये सब पता चला है। but the smallest scale is समय, एक समय, and it's extremely small, मतलब it is said in just one blink of the eye countless समय बीत जाते हैं। so समय is the smallest scale, or the largest scale is the Sagaropam, that can be that is countless, और उसके बाद अनंत आता है, right? अनंत is infinite time। तो अपने में क्या है कि time is infinite, there is no beginning, there is no end, and this infinite time is divided into infinite time cycles, right? तो एक time cycle is called one Kal Chakra, and one Kal Chakra is further divided into 2 equal halves, that is one Avasarsapini and one Uttarsarpini, and one Avasarsapini is 10 Kodakori Sagaropams and one Uttarsarpini is again 10 Kodakori Sagaropams। तो each Kal Chakra is 20 Kodakori Sagaropams। But everything ये जो दिया है सब कुछ शास्त्र में, it comes through आगम, and सब कुछ हमको भगवान महावीर से हमको ये सब मिला है।
Thank you.
Okay, so I think we'll go to the next step. So in next step we'll do 12 Kamashanas. So Meena Ben, do you want to do this 12 Kamashanas?
Yeah, sure. Nipa? Nipa, can you hear me?
हाँ बोलो.
Yeah. I will do ખમાસ ઓલું અને પછી તું 12 ગણીને ખમાસના બોલજે.
ઓકે, એટલે
I'm
તમે આ
starting.
દુહો તમે બોલો છો
Yeah.
અને મારે શું બોલવાનું છે?
ઈચ્છામી ખમાસમણો.
ઓકે.
પરમ પંચ પરમેષ્ટિમાં પરમેશ્વર ભગવાન ચરણ નિક્ષેપે ધ્યાયે નમો નમો શ્રી જિનભાન ઈચ્છામી ખમાસમણો
ઈચ્છામી ખમાસમણો વંદે હું જામણી જાય નિસિહી આય મથેણ વંદામી।
પરમ પંચ પરમેષ્ટિમાં પરમેશ્વર ભગવાન ચરણ નિક્ષેપે ધ્યાયે નમો નમો શ્રી જિનભાન।
ઈચ્છામી ખમાસમણો વંદે હું જામણી જાય નિસિહી આય મથેણ વંદામી।
પરમ પંચ પરમેષ્ટિમાં પરમેશ્વર ભગવાન ચરણ નિક્ષેપે ધ્યાયે નમો નમો શ્રી જિનભાન।
ઈચ્છામી ખમાસમણો વંદે હું જામણી જાય નિસિહી આય મથેણ વંદામી।
પરમ પંચ પરમેષ્ટિમાં પરમેશ્વર ભગવાન ચરણ નિક્ષેપે ધ્યાયે નમો નમો શ્રી જિનભાન।
ઈચ્છામી ખમાસમણો વંદે હું જામણી જાય નિસિહી આય મથેણ વંદામી।
નંબર 5 પરમ પંચ પરમેષ્ટિમાં પરમેશ્વર ભગવાન ચરણ નિક્ષેપે ધ્યાયે નમો નમો શ્રી જિનભાન।
ઈચ્છામી ખમાસમણો વંદે હું જામણી જાય નિસિહી આય મથેણ વંદામી।
પરમ પંચ પરમેષ્ટિમાં પરમેશ્વર ભગવાન ચરણ નિક્ષેપે ધ્યાયે નમો નમો શ્રી જિનભાન।
ઈચ્છામી ખમાસમણો વંદે હું જામણી જાય નિસિહી આય મથેણ વંદામી।
परम पंच परमेष्टिमा परमेश्वर भगवान चरण निक्षेपे ध्याये नमो नमो श्री जिनभान इच्छामि
इच्छामि
खमा
खमासमनो
वंदे
वंदियुं जामणी जयनि सिहि आय मथेण वंदामि
परम पंच परमेष्टिमा परमेश्वर भगवान चरण निक्षेपे ध्याये नमो नमो श्री जिनभान
इच्छामि खमासमनो वंदियुं जामणी जयनि सिहि आय मथेण वंदामि
परम पंच परमेष्टिमा परमेश्वर भगवान चरण निक्षेपे ध्याये नमो नमो श्री जिनभान
इच्छामि खमासमनो वंदियुं जामणी जयनि सिहि आय मथेण वंदामि
परम पंच परमेष्टिमा परमेश्वर भगवान चरण निक्षेपे ध्याये नमो नमो श्री जिनभान
इच्छामि खमासमनो वंदियुं जामणी जयनि सिहि आय मथेण वंदामि
परम पंच परमेष्टिमा परमेश्वर भगवान चरण निक्षेपे ध्याये नमो नमो श्री जिनभान
इच्छामि खमासमनो वंदियुं जामणी जयनि सिहि आय मथेण वंदामि
परम पंच परमेष्टिमा परमेश्वर भगवान चरण निक्षेपे ध्याये नमो नमो श्री जिनभान
इच्छामि खमासमनो वंदियुं जामणी जयनि सिहि आय मथेण वंदामि
परम पंच परमेष्टिमा परमेश्वर भगवान चरण निक्षेपे ध्याये नमो नमो श्री जिनभान
इच्छामि खमासमनो वंदियुं जामणी जयनि सिहि आय मथेण वंदामि
परम पंच परमेष्टिमा परमेश्वर भगवान चरण निक्षेपे ध्याये नमो नमो श्री जिनभान
इच्छामि खमासमनो वंदियुं जामणी जयनि सिहि आय मथेण वंदामि
કેટલા થાય 12
હા થઈ ગયા બાર
થઈ ગયા
ઓકે
okay so this completes the second step and third step we'll do the kausag of 12 logas so ichhami khamasamro vandyum jamijay nisiyay mathir vandami इच्छा कारण संदेश भगवान श्री पार्श्वनाथ आराधनार्थे कौशक करू इच्छम इच्छा का आराधना करते करेमी कौशकम वंदनवतिया पूर्णवतिया सकारवतिया हाँ सो
वंदनवत्याय पूर्णवत्याय सकारवत्याय
हाँ वंदनवतिया पूर्णवतिया सकारवतिया समानवतिया गोइला भगवतिया निरुक्तवतिया सद्दाय मियाय दिए दाना अनुपया वटमे टॉमिक कौशकम अन्नत्त उससेरम निससेरम खाशेरम शेम जंभायरम उद्वेरम मानसगिरम उद्वेर पित्तमुचाय सोमेम अंगसम चालेम सोमेम खेलसम चालेम सोमे तिथिरम चालेम हेमेम आगणि अभोगो विराय उज्जमे कौशको जावयंतरम भगवंतरम नमुक कारणम नपामि ठाखायम ठानेरम मोरम जनम पारम बोसेरामि. So you have to do Kausag of 12 logas, and if you do not know, please do Kausag of 48 nokars. Appanam Vosirami. So I think if we have completed, we'll go to the next step, that is we'll perform the Parshanath Bhagwan post Dasmi Chaitya Vandan. So Myra, do you want to start?
चेतन भाई आप लोगस से बोल रहे हो सबके लिए कि सबने अपना अपना लोगस बोल दिया होगा?
Oh sorry, लोगस बोलना बाकी है ना? हाँ, लोगस बोल लो. मायरा बोलना है लोगस.
Lokasa agari dhammatete yarjane ayint kitesam chavisam pi kerli. Osabo madhyam cha vande sambhav mavi nandanam cha suncha pama pam supasam janam cha chanda pam vande. Suhumencha kohutantam silasi jansa vasupudyam cha. Vimalananta chajin dhammam santam cha vanami. Kuntum archa vallam vande mudisavam navi jancha vandami rittunenam pasam tavardhamanam cha. Ivamam avitva vyuya ramana paina jarmana chavi sampi dinavara sutta rame pasam. Kitya vandiya maya je lokasa uttama sata aruga poila samaya varamuttamante. Chandesu nevara aichasu ampasara agarvara gambita sata sati mamati sata.
चेतन ने शुरू से करना वापस चेतन भाई?
हाँ, पूरा पहले से. हाँ.
Ichami kamashino vandiyam jamidaya nisiyaya mattarino nami. Echa karana sandhisyogan edya vam padikkamami echa mechami padikkum. Edya vaya veranai gamna pane gamne vya karne hari gamne osa otinga panaga dagga mati makara santanam sankamani. Jeme jiva vadahya ekindiya pendiya tendiya chorandiya panjandiya abhyaya avatya lesya sangaya sangatya Parya vya kella vya udavya thanam sankamya divya bhavya tatam chami dukaram. Ananta tasatri kananam pachit kananam visali kananam pavanam kamanam nikayana thami kasagam. Ananta osatyanam nisasyanam khachiam chiyanam jambanam udduyanam vanaskenam kambali pitar Uchar. So Anga Sanchalam, Kheda Sanchalam, Chitti Sanchalam, Eva Mai, Eva Agarem, Abogo, Aura, Hujamika, Jav, Ariantanam,
एक लोगस अथवा चा न कर कसर जा
जाव अयंतारम भगवंतारम नमो कारिणो कारिणता कांठानेन मोनेन जानेन कारिणो Logos uja agare thamma tete yarjine arihanti kite isam chavisam pikeveli usava majyam cha vande sambhavam abhinandanam cha sumem cha pauma pamasu pasam chinam cha tanda pamvante sumem cha puhudantam silase chansu vasu pujyam cha vimala manantam cha dinam dhammam santyam cha vandami kuntum aram cha vandam vande munisuyam namite cha vandami rettini आसन्तवदमानं एवं महिम अभित्वा व्यूयरयमला पैन जर्मना छवि संपिज्जनवरा चित्ते रामे पतिंतु कित्य वंदियमया जे लोगस उत्तमा सिद्धा आरुक बोलिलाभम समय वरमते वंदेंतु चंदेशु नेमरा आचित्रो अंपयासरा सागर वर गंभीरा सिता सती मंदी संतु
इच्छामि खमा समनो वंदियों जामि जानि सिहियाय मत ऐन वंदामि इच्छामि खमा समनो वंदियों जामि जानि सिहियाय मत ऐन वंदामि इच्छामि खमा समनो वंदियों जामि जानि सिहियाय मत वंदामि इच्छा कांचन दिसुगा चित्तवंदन करुच्छम मीना आंटी बोल रहे हैं कि
તમારો મ્યુટ છે મીનાબેન.
ઓકે આશપુરે પ્રભુ પાસજી
सकल कुशल सकल कुशल
सकल कुशल वल्ली पुष्कर वर्त में गो दुरितति मेरा भानु कल्प वृक्ष पमानो भव जल निधि पोत सर्व संपत्ति हेतु सब सततम शेष शांतिनाथ शेष पाशुनाथ आसपुरे प्रभु पासजी त्रोडे भव पास वामा माता जनमिया ऐलन जास अश्वसेन सुत सुख करो नवत निकाया काशी देश वाराणसी पुण्य प्रभु आया 100 वर्ष नो आऊ कोई पारी पार्श्व कुमार पद्म कय मुक्ते गया नमता सुख निर्धार जंकिंची नाम तीर्थम सगे पायली माणूस लोय जाय जिण बिंबाई ताईं समय मंदामी नमो
धनम अरिहंतानम भगवंतानम आयज्ञानम तिथ्यानम स्वयं संबुद्धानम प्रिसुतमानम प्रिसस्यानम प्रिसवर पुण्यज्ञानम प्रिसवर गंधातिनम लोकतमानम लोकनहानम लोकहियानम लोकपैवानम लोकपजग्रानम अभयदयानम चक्कुदयानम मग्गदयानम शरणदयानम बोधदयानम धम्मदयानम धम्मदेस्यानम धम्मनायकानम धम्मसाधीनम धम्मवरचावरंत चक्रवर्तिनम अपरिहय वर्णानम दंसदरानम वेक्षमानम जिनानम जावयानम तिनानम तारयानम बुत्तानम मोहगानम मुत्तानम मोहगानम सबनुन्नम सबदर्शनम शिवमैल मरुमनंतम मुखाय महाभावम पुण्यवती सिद्धिकै नामदयम ठानम संपत्तानम नमो जिनानम जियबयानम जे ए अय्या सिद्धा जे ए भविसन्ति नागै काले संपय्य वर्तमानम सर्वे दिव्येन वन्दामि जावन्ति छै आयम उड्डय आय तिर्यलोय सभायम ताय मंदे ये संततुत्त संतायम इच्छामि खमासमनो वंदियों जानि जाय निस्याय वंदामि जावन्ति केवि साव भरे रवय महाविदेय सवेसम तेसिम पन्नो तिविन तीरन्न वेदियानम
नमो रथ सिद्धाचार्य उपाध्याय सर्वसातुभ्य
चिंतामणि पार्श्वतने वंदु वारंवार चिंतामणि पार्श्वतने वंदु वारंवार मनति गावो तनति गावो वचन गावो रे चिंतामणि पार्श्वतने वंदु वारंवार चिंतामणि पार्श्वतने वंदु वारंवार मनति गावो तनति गावो वचन गावो रे चिंतामणि पार्श्वना तारा मुख न जोई हर खू तने वारी वारी निरखू तने मुख न जोई ने हर खू तने वारी વારે નિરખું તોય તૃપ્તિ ન થાય, મારું મનડું ખીચાય તોય તૃપ્તિ ન થાય, મારું મનડું ખીચાય, મારો આત્મ શુદ્ધ બની જાય, ચિંતામણી પાર્શ્વતને વંદુ વારંવાર, ચિંતામણી પાર્શ્વતને વંદુ વારંવાર, મનથી ગાવું તનથી ગાવું વચને ગાવું રે, વચને ગાવું રે, ચિંતામણી પાર્શ્વના. તારો અદ્ભુત બિંબ નિરાલો, પીલા ચંદા કરતો નિરાલો, તારો અદ્ભુત બિંબ નિરાલો, પીલા ચંદા કરતો નિરાલો, તોડે રાગે નદ્વે આપે સમતા અશી, તોડે રાગે નદ્વે આપે સમતા અશી, શુદ્ધ થાય આત્મના પ્રદેશ રે પ્રદેશ, ચિંતામણી પાર્શ્વતને વંદુ વારંવાર, ચિંતામણી પાર્શ્વતને વંદુ વારંવાર, મનથી ગાવું તનથી ગાવું વચને ગાવું રે, વચને ગાવું રે, ચિંતામણી પાર્શ્વના. આતમ કમલમાં પાર્શ્વજી તમને બેસાડ્યા છૂટે ના સપને, આતમ કમલમાં પાર્શ્વજી તમને બેસાડ્યા છૂટું ના સપને, વિક્રમ વિનવે તને રેજે મારી તને, વિક્રમ વિનવે તને રેજે મારી તને, કેવલ લબ્ધિ પ્રકટશે મુજને રે, ચિંતામણી પાર્શ્વતને વંદુ વારંવાર, ચિંતામણી પાર્શ્વતને વંદુ વારંવાર, મનથી ગાવું તનથી ગાવું વચને ગાવું રે, વચને ગાવું રે, ચિંતામણી પાર્શ્વતને વંદુ વારંવાર, ચિંતામણી પાર્શ્વતને વંદુ વારંવાર, મનથી ગાવું તનથી ગાવું વચને ગાવું રે, વચને ગાવું રે, વચને ગાવું રે, ચિંતામણી પાર્શ્વના.
उपसर्गहरं पासं पासं वन्दामि कम्मघनमुखं, विसर्गविसनिन्नासं मङ्गलकल्याण आवासं, विसर्गपुल्लिङ्गमन्तं कण्ठे धारी जोसाय मनुवो, तस्य गह रोगमारि दुच्छराजन्ति उपशमं, चित्त दुरिमंत तुझ प्रणामो वी बहुफल होई, नर तिरियेसु वी जीवा पावन दीन दुख दोगच्छम, तो समते लग्ने चिंतामणि कप पाय वप्पये, पावन्ति अवियेनम जीवायर मरणं ठानम, ये संतो महायस भक्ति पर निप्रेण हियेन, तादेव दिजबोयम भवे भवे पास चिन छंद, जय वीर राय जगगुरु हुआ मम तो प्रभाव भयम भव निर्भयो मगनु सारे अटक सिद्धि, लोक व्रत छाव गुरुजन पुआ परत खनम च, स्वगुरु जोग तवनि सेवना आभव मखंडा, वारी जय जेवी नियान बंदनम वीर राय तुम समय, तवि मम हुज्ज सेवा भवे भवे तुम चरणानम, दुख को कम को समाय मरण च बोई लाभो, संपजौ मा एम तुम नाप नाम कर्णेनम, सर्व मंगल मांगल्यम सर्व कल्याण कारणम, प्रधानम सर्व धर्मानाम जैनम जेति शासनम.
अरिहंत छे आयम
करेमी कौसगम,
अरिहंत छे आयम करेमी कौसगम, वंदनवती आय पूर्णवती आय सकारवती आय समानवती आय भूल लाभवती आय निर्वसकवती आय सिता में आय दिए धारणाय अनुपाय वर्तमानीय ठामी कौसगम, अनथ उसस्यनम नसस्यनम खाच्यनम चिनम जंबानम उद्वैनम वानस्कयम भंबले पत्तमचाय सुमन अंग संचालन सुमखेल संचालन सुमदिति संचालन एवं माय एवं आगरेम अबोग अवराय होचम कौसक जाव एंधानम
एक नपास स्तुति सुन के सांभलना जावरिंतन
जाव अनितानम बंगतानम नमो कारमीना पारमिता कारम ठानेन मोहनम ठानेनम अनुमोदिराम.
મીનાબેન તમારો મ્યુટ છે.
પાસજી નંદા વામાનંદા जब गर्भे फरी सुपना देखे अर्थ विशेषे कहे मगवा मणि जिनवर जाया सुरहुल राया हुआ रमणी प्रिय नेमी राजी चित्त विराजी विलोकित व्रत लिए नमो रेणुकाय
इच्छामि खमा समनो वंद्यं जामि जाय निसीहाय मत एन वंदामि.
Okay, so this completes the fourth step, and the fifth step is you have to do jap mantra. वो तुम you can do it in your house. So you have to count 20 malas, and mantra तो आपके सबके पास है. So this completes the post Dasmi Aradhna. एक बार मीना बेन, do you want to share the gaulis you have done? मीना बेन ने 12 गौलिस बनाए हैं, तो एक बार
અને આજે જાપ કરવાનો છે ઓમ ગ્રીમ શ્રી પાર્શ્વનાથાય
અરતે નમઃ.
પાર્શ્વનાથાય નાથ અરતે નમઃ. ગૌલી એટલે where do I focus?
તમારી પાછળ દેખાય છે. Yeah, we can see the gaulis.
Oh, you can see right now?
Yes, તમારા બેકગ્રાઉન્ડ ઇમેજમાં દેખાય છે, પણ if you can put your camera એને ફોકસ કરીને રાખો તો બધાને દેખાશે.
એટલે અત્યારે લાઈવ દેખાય છે?
હા, દેખાય છે.
Like, do you see my finger? ના, live નથી દેખાય.
No, I think Chetalbhai, that is an image that
મીના થોડું ખસેડ તો દેખાશે આખું બધું.
ના, I think તમે વર્ચ્યુઅલ ઇમેજ રાખ્યું છે ને પાછળ, તો પછી દેખાશે ને. You have to remove the virtual image.
Yeah.
Oh, acha.
No problem. Okay.
I don't know how to.
No, you have to go to the settings and you have to remove.
That's okay. That's okay.
Okay. But this gaun is also very beautiful. जो virtual image है, वो भी मीना बेन ने बनाया है. You see all the gaulis are different. So you can be creative, create 12 different gaulis for 12 different satyas. Okay. So I think this completes the Aradhna. Thank you everyone.
અચ્છા મીના, જાપની માળા ગણવાનું શું પાછું બોલી જાય ને જરા.
એક સેકન્ડ.
આપણે આમ તો મેં ગઈકાલે ગણીને તો ઓમ રીમ શ્રી ધર્મેન્દ્ર પદ્માવતી પૂજિતા શ્રી સંકેશ પાર્શ્વનાથ નમઃ એ નહીં બોલવાનું.
ના, એ નહીં બોલવાનું.
આજે છે ને ઓમ રેમ શ્રી પાર્શ્વનાથ નાથાય નમઃ છે.
હા, અમે લોકોએ બધાએ કરી. હા, આજે ઓમ ગ્રીમ શ્રી પાર્શ્વનાથ નાથાય નમઃ.
ઓકે, ઓલરાઈટ, ઓકે, ગોટ ઇટ. ઓકે,
અમે લોકોએ સવારે ગણી લીધી બધાએ.
અચ્છા, ગણી લીધી. ઓકે.
પણ એનીવે ઓમ ગ્રીમ શ્રી પાર્શ્વનાથ નાથાય નમઃ.
પાર્શ્વનાથ નાથાય નમઃ. ઓકે, ઓલરાઈટ, ઓકે, યા, ઓલરાઈટ, ઓકે.
બધાને થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ ફોર પાર્ટિસિપેટિંગ. અને પ્રીતિની બંને છોકરીઓ તો વાવ, રિયલી
બહુ જ સરસ, બહુ જ સરસ છે.
બહુ સારી તૈયારી. અને એ લોકો બેસે પણ છે. મેઇન તો ઘણા લાઈક છોકરાઓ ન બેસે નહીં તો.
યસ.
सभी तपस्वी शाखा में
खूब अनुमोदना તમને બધાને.
खूब अनुमोदना. बहुत सुंदर प्रोग्राम. And as Meena Ben said, it is so glad to see the young doing such nice आराधना. उनके मुंह से सुनने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Thank you.
And Priti Stavan was very good. Okay, very well sang.
Very sweet. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Jai Jinendra.
Jai Jinendra.
અને મેઇન તો થેન્ક્સ ટુ ચેતલભાઈ ટુ ઓર્ગેનાઇઝિંગ ऑल दिस. इंग्लिश में इतना ये बहुत it takes so much time to organize all this. उन्होंने जिस तरह से PDF करके फाइल का वो रखना पर it's too much. But he is doing really good job.
मीना आंटी जी, यही नहीं, ये एक हफ्ते में 3 प्रोग्राम देते हैं और इनको इतनी तैयारी तीनों प्रोग्राम के लिए करनी पड़ती है. That's really great.
हो जाता है, ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाता है.
He is evergreen. Evergreen.
ચેતલભાઈ, ખૂબ અનુમોદના તમને.
ખૂબ અનુમોદના. સરસ પ્રોગ્રામ. Meena, you did good job every morning.
Yes, Meena, sorry, બહુ હલ્લું છે, મારથી જોઈન નથી થવાતું 6 વાગે.
ના, 7 વાગે હતું આ વખતે.
7 વાગે હતું. I didn't know. 7 વાગે જો કોઈ ઉઠી ગઈ હતી આજે તો.
Right.
Okay, જય જિનેન્દ્ર.
જય જિનેન્દ્ર to everybody.
જય જિનેન્દ્ર.
Okay.